Morning, guys. It is Friday, December 9th, and we just got finished. My oldest daughter had to get 2 teeth pulled, so I'm going to get her like a little prize, and we decided to explore a brand new Walmart that is here in Fayetteville, but it's like on the other side of town. So I always like finding a new Walmart. See you guys in a bit. It's a new Walmart. It's a big one too. Awesome. So picking up some candy canes because I didn't realize until I saw them that we don't have any on the tree this year. But can I just tell you how much I love these departmental signs? Like, I haven't seen them this big and obvious in the Walmarts nearby. So this is kind of awesomely cool. Like, I'm loving it. Loving it. So my little crafty girl picked this for her prize and some more rubber bands for her loom maker. And we're gonna head home and let her hang out and chill. You hear that? There's absolutely nothing burning. It's smoke. Not even like burn smoke. Happens all the time. It'll go off again in like another 2 minutes. Making ziti. Not even 2 minutes. Nothing is burning. It's just smoke. Do you see the smoke? No burning. The meat is not even cooked all the way. And the alarm is going off. Ziti. Pasta. Just boiling. Smoke only. And I have the vent on. This is ridiculous. Ah. We're in full Christmas movie mode. Tonight playing How the Grinch Stole Christmas.